Hey everybody, welcome to the new adventure. We're going up to Rattlesnake Canyon. I'm trying to work on the audio for you folks. See how it works. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Just right off the 247 right now. Another adventure? What? Rattlesnake Canyon? What? All right. Definitely gonna pull over here. Limited use. All right. All right, look where we're at. We're right here. We gotta come up over here and Rattlesnake Canyon subregion. Uh-oh, somebody's been here. I'm using the Coyote air down system. Doing 20 pounds in the rear and 24 pounds up front. Hopefully that's enough. Next stop, we'll fill up on water. Oh. Oh. Open route, here we go. Much better with the lower tires. Wow, this is actually comfortable. Oh wow, we have a speed limit here. 15, we're going 15. As we're making it up through the first part of this, nothing really crazy yet. This is actually quite fun. I'm trying to find just the regular trail, and I don't want to get stuck on some obstacle. Just stay on the regular trail for me. This is all an obstacle for an old bus. Sandy. Oh, almost toasted it there. Woo. Just stay moving, folks. Just stay moving. Oh, look what we found. All right. I had to stop and grab that balloon. Yeah, on this trail, there's no promises I'll make it through. All the research I did, it looked pretty hard. Canyon's starting to get a little tighter. It's beautiful. Got a water crossing. But we survived. Cheater! Wow, this is really nice in here. Look at the different colors of the rocks. The sand, the big boulders, greenery. little rough, but not too bad. Gives you enough time to take a look at the beauty. I did notice a little bit less rattles. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Oh. Stacking rocks! Woohoo! Flat rock for the other side. Oh yeah, we're stuck. There we are. Try to back up a little bit and go over here. Try to. There we go. Oh no, we're jacked up here. Am I hitting over here? Stacking rocks. Oh my God. That's a roadblock right there. Get something underneath that. Too big that side, man. That side's huge. We ain't climbing over that one. I don't know, dude. I'm pretty off over here. Get a foot over this way. If not, that side's really light. Smaller rock, rattlesnakes. Yeah, look at that one. So we got over on the other side. Woo, fill it in. Came through that. And still going. That way's like the easy route. I'm taking it. But there's lots of holes in this one. This one looks it's just the Volkswagen bus. But if you get stuck here for days, look at the view you have. Look at this. It's weird how they're just spaced out perfectly. Right? More stream crossings. Someone hit their rooftop tent. Oh no, what is this? This is gonna take hours to get through this one. Oh, this one sucks. Oh boy. All right. First off, pack it in, pack it out, folks. I ain't gonna play in mud hole with trash in it. All right. A lot of people stacked rocks in this thing. Pretty easy trail. Another one for John Paul. All right. I mean, looks like someone put some rocks here to get by these obstacles. I'm thinking I could just remove some rocks to get by some obstacles. That looks good. That looks good. I could leave some little ones in here. Right. Oh, wow. That one's loose. I almost went for a swim. Nice. I'm not gonna carry him out. I'll just leave him in here in case someone else needs him. All right, no rattlers. Rob. I want to rob some Jeep line. No Jeep would have a problem with this. No way. No stacking rocks needed. I think that's a 2-wheel drive thing on this trail. All right. We're all sideways here. All right. This is the Volkswagen Bus Rubicon Trail. You want something technical? This is a perfect one for a bus. Maybe I shouldn't have said that until I got to the end of the trail, right? Who knows, right? Oh, here we go. Big old rock in the middle of the road. I gotta look. Oh, someone stacked some rocks here. This is a rock stacking section. Definitely a fun trail. Here we go. Had to do some rock stacking. Looks like someone had a hard go through here. It's all loosened up. Starting to widen out a little bit. Could that mean? What? Get my way! Woohoo! Wasn't that fun? Oh my gosh! Boulders on top of boulders, sand and water. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. It was a blast. I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna be sore for weeks.